So today I'm working on my saturation blanket, and there's a special stitch up here called an SSSK. So we will slip 3 stitches individually and knit them together through the back loop. And then there's a K3 together. And I wanted to show you how that worked. So I've knitted up to where I'm ready to do this. So what I'm going to do is for the SSSK, we'll slip them as if to knit. So I'm putting the needle in as if I'm knitting. So slip it to the right needle, 1, 2, 3. And that's the SSS. And now I'm going to knit these all together through the back loop. So I'm going to take my left hand needle and put it through all 3 of those stitches. I've got this in the front. Now my needle is in the back, like I'm going to knit through the back loop, pull this around, and lift this off. That's the SSSK. Now the pattern tells me to knit 1 more stitch, and then I'm going to do a K3 together. So I've got 1, 2, 3 stitches, and I'm going to knit all 3 of those stitches together at the same time. This can be a little tricky. So I go all the way to the 3rd stitch, put the needle in, so it goes through all 3 of those stitches, wrap my yarn around, and pull it through. So I've decreased 2 stitches. So I've gone from 3 to 1 here and 3 to 1 here. So that's the SSSK and the K3 together.